Alright, hello everybody and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be looking at how to create a very simple onboarding for any of your applications. So before, how you would create an onboarding is you would use a PageViewController, but thanks to SwiftUI and its new update, it's actually very simple to create an onboarding, and we're going to be using a TabView, and this dramatically decreases the amount of code that we're going to actually need to create this onboarding. So over here, I have this project and I just imported three assets, just three random images, since the onboarding I'm going to create is going to only have 3 slides. And here, by default, you have 2 files. So I'm just going to start off by creating a brand new file, and this one's going to be a Swift file, and I'm just going to name this card. Okay, so in this file, we're going to go ahead and create a struct called card. And then we'll go ahead and declare 3 properties. We'll do let image of type string, let headline of type string, and let subhead of type string. And then we'll go ahead and create 3 static properties. So static var test type card, and then we'll create an instance of our card, so image, and we'll go ahead and use the images that we have here, so Apple, Instagram, and Mario. So I'll start off with Apple, give it a headline, so think different, join us on October 13th for our event. And then I'll go ahead and copy this 3 times. And I'll just go ahead and quickly change all these errors. Okay, so there are our 3 static properties, and now we can go ahead and move over to the content view. So over here in the content view, we're just going to get rid of this text, and we're going to create a property up here. So let card of type card, so we can access everything in this file. And then we'll go ahead and create a VStack, and here we'll do a image card.image dot resizable dot aspect ratio dot fit, and then we'll do text card dot headline dot font. We'll make it a title, that way it's larger than the subhead. Card dot subhead dot font dot body, and depending on how many lines you have, you will definitely want to set this to center. Add some padding in there, and feel free to play around with this. This is going to be your card. You can design it however you want. And we'll go ahead and take care of this error. So we'll do card.test. And now for the final step here, all we have to do is go into our YouTube onboarding one, the one that has add main. And we can go ahead and do TabView, open close brackets, move the content view over here. And then when we try to build, you're going to see we're going to get an error. Go ahead and just fix that and do card.test. And then we can actually just copy and paste this 2 more times. So we can, and then just replace this with 2 and 3. And then last but not least, just add tab view style, page tab view style. And then last line is index view style, page index view style, background display mode dot always. And now we can actually run our application. And as you can see here, we have the page indicator, and we can actually just swipe through. And so that's pretty neat. However you want this to look is going to depend on how you make your actual card look here. So right here, we just created a very simple VStack using an image, text, and that's it. But you can go ahead and add as much properties to this if you want to change the color, if you want to add more text, however you want to do it. But as you can see, TabView pretty much takes over PageViewController and lets you create a onboarding using a lot less code. So I hope you found today's video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and just go ahead and like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any future content you would like to see.